Hey guys, right here I have this amazing shoe storage cabinet and wanted to show you why this has changed my game. Now, these are getting really popular because a lot of people have a ton of shoes nowadays and don't have anywhere to put them. Now, this quickly solves that problem and I'm going to show you why. Taking a look at this design, we have a really nice gold handle that opens right up and you're going to see that we have 7 tiers. I didn't want to clutter it up with too many shoes, but this does hold up to 18 pairs of shoes. You're going to have about 3 on each row, and then you can also put another 3 right here underneath on the bottom. So that can be some like your quick access shoes or just like some slippers. I think that'll be perfect for that. Look how deep this is. I have size 9 shoes and I have a ton of room on here left. So you can fit a larger shoe. I'd probably say like a 13, maybe a 15. You're easily going to be able to fit 3 on each. Now, 2 of these sections are actually going to be removable. They fit in here very nicely, but if you do want to take this section completely out, you could actually fit a larger boot in here, because right now you may be able to fit a high top, but I think if you took out a section there, you could fit a boot, and then you can also take this section out down here. So you can fit multiple different styles of shoes. It really is just super functional for that because it can cater to any different style that you have. We do have really nice hinges that are here and they are going to be a soft close. And I actually love that because you can just slam those whenever you're done. You don't have to worry about setting them closed really nicely. So this part on the bottom is going to be exposed. So you can just put a little bit of decor there or 3 more pairs of shoes. On the top, I just chose to put a lamp for now because I wasn't sure what I was going to put. This has a little bit of gold in it and white, so I thought it went perfectly with this. And I really do love the shelf on top here because if you do have this on your entryway, it's nice to just come home at the end of the day. You can throw your shoes right in here and then just throw like your keys on top, and it's just perfect quick storage. This is actually going to be a wood design. So this is going to be like the high density board that this is made out of, and it's going to be exposed. So this is actually a wood color, but it does blend really nicely with the gold, and then we got gold on the bottom. The bottoms of the legs are actually going to have a little leveling kit in there too, so you can spin those around to make sure this is nice and even on the floor, but it definitely fits perfectly, and you can actually put this in an entryway, a closet, a living room, or you can even put this in your garage depending on how you want this to look or what you want to use this for. And you don't necessarily have to use this as a shoe storage cabinet. You can just use this as more storage and put this in a closet or an entryway, living room, and it'd make it perfectly accessible and usable. So talking about assembly, this probably took me about an hour, give or take. It really was not that hard. The directions were very easy to follow. It went together really nice. Now, if you notice up here, we do have round edges, and I do like that. Gives it a nice sleek and modern touch. This is the white color, and you can also get this in brown and gold as well. So overall, I highly recommend this if you're looking for a nice shoe or storage cabinet. I love the lines going through. It looks amazing. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.